Fiona's birthday party. Fiona is a lovable, pot-bellied pig. She wants to plan a birthday party but needs help. Can you help her? Fiona needs food. She decides to have apples and bananas. Fiona buys 7 bananas and 8 apples. However, Fiona is a very hungry pig and eats 3 bananas before the party. How much fruit does Fiona have left? It looks like we have more than one thing to solve for. First, we need to know how much fruit Fiona had before she ate some of it. Since we are combining 7 and 8, that means we are adding. We can find the answer to this by using an equation, or also called a number sentence, as well as the picture. We will write 7 plus 8 vertically. So we start with the bigger number, 8, and put it in our head. Then we count on 7 more. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15. So we have 15 pieces of fruit, and we are going to take the 15 and move it to a new equation. 15 is at the top, and then Fiona ate 3. So 3 went away. That means we are subtracting. We can use our picture to help us solve this too. So I took 3 bananas away, so now I have 12 pieces of fruit. Fiona will have 12 pieces of fruit for the party. Fiona decided that this wasn't enough food, so she went to hunt some bugs. She found 9 crickets and 5 earthworms. How many more crickets does Fiona collect than earthworms? We can examine by first drawing a picture. We can line these pictures up side by side, starting with 9 crickets. Next, we can line up 5 earthworms. We can mark the ones that line up next to each other like this. And by doing this, we can see that this problem is really a subtraction problem. So our number sentence says 9 minus 5 equals 4. We can see that we have 4 crickets left. That means that Fiona has 4 more crickets than earthworms. Now that Fiona has food planned, she needs to plan some games. She decides to play catch with her friends. Will there be an odd or even number of friends? Fiona has 5 guests. If Fiona wants to play 2, how many is that? That's right, it's 6. So we can find out if this is an odd or even number by partnering the groups. We can do this by circling them in groups of 2. We have 1, 2, 3 groups of 2, or we have 3 sets of partners. Since there is no one left out, we know that 6 is an even number. Fiona's party was lots of fun until cake time. Fiona had 8 cupcakes, but Ginny ate 3 before it was cake time. Will there still be enough cupcakes for Fiona and her 5 guests? This problem requires a couple of steps. First, we need to remember that 5 guests plus 1 Fiona is 6. Next, we need to find out how many cupcakes are left. So we started with 8, and if we take 3 away, we need to find out what our unknown is. So we can use our picture to find that out. We take 3 away and we see that our difference is 5. This means Fiona has 5 cupcakes for her friends. So let's see if that is enough. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Uh-oh, we don't have quite enough. But Jenny decided that since she already had some, she would let her friends have the rest. So everyone had their cupcakes, and after the party, they went home. Fiona went to bed that night having wonderful dreams about the party that she had had. A special thank you goes out to my son Tyler for his help in getting wonderful pictures of his pet pig Fiona. And the rest of the sources are listed on this page for all of the great photographs. Thank you.